So you like to write. Everybody has told you how good your writing skills are, but you do not yet do business with it. Come closer. I need to tell you something. Stop. Today, we're going to talk about freelance writing. And if you're a writer, you're good at writing, you write stuff and people like it, this is the video for you. So let's go. So first, let's begin with what freelance writing is. Freelance writing is any form of writing assignment, any form of writing gig you do that you get paid for. Okay, outside of a staff position, maybe you're employed, right, at an organization and your employment is to get paid to write. That is not freelance. Freelance is a side gig that you do, you write and you get paid for it. So today I'm going to walk you through steps to get started with freelance writing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first clients. So the first step in starting your freelance writing is to define your niche. Okay, I know I say this a lot, define your niche, and I say it because it is super important. Okay, so think about what topics you're passionate about. What do you like to write about? What comes to you naturally? What is your expertise? Do you love technology, finance, health, relationships, parenting, lifestyle? Just identifying your niche will help you target a specific audience. This will help you stand out in a crowded market rather than a person that says, I can write everything. Every client, every customer, every proposal you get is looking for somebody that can write in a particular niche. Okay, so that is why it is important for you to niche down. Okay, so for example, if you're passionate about tech, okay, you might focus on writing for tech blogs. You might focus on creating content for tech startups and all of that. Okay, so now once you have identified your niche, the next thing will be to build your portfolio. If you haven't had any freelance clients yet, you can create samples of pieces to showcase your writing skills. Okay, write blog posts, write articles, write ebooks related to your niche. Okay. Now, with a solid portfolio in your hand, you are ready to start finding clients. Here's how to start finding clients for your freelance business. Sign up for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and create a compelling profile. Create a very, very nice, compelling profile and start bidding on writing projects. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, when you set up your profile, you would see gigs. You can set up your profile in such a way that you would see only writing gigs and all of that. And then you start bidding for those gigs. Now, the truth is that nothing good comes easy. So you have to put in the work to, first of all, creating your profile and then start to advertise. Okay, start to bid for those gigs. The next thing will be to network, join writing groups on LinkedIn and on Facebook. Facebook has a wealth of writing groups, so you want to join those writing groups to see what's trending, what people are hiring, okay, what people are offering, to update your own portfolio as well. So cold pitching, don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Call them, okay? Research companies and individuals that are hiring freelance writers that need writing services and just send them personalized messages, send them your portfolio, offer to write something for them, highlight your niche and your expertise, and just send them a sample of your work. You send as many as you can, as you possibly can, okay? Now, once you start getting inquiries, you need to set your rate and terms. Okay, so research industry standards and decide what you're comfortable with. Remember, it is important to be clear about your rates, your deadlines, and your additional fees. It is very, very important. The last thing I'll talk about is that you need to deliver quality work and build relationships. It is important that you put your best out there, because creating the relationship and referrals is what builds businesses. Referrals. So if you do quality work, people want to know who wrote this. Okay, and then referrals, they refer you to other people. Okay, deliver high quality work. Okay, build strong relationship with people you're working with. Build strong relationship with people, other writers like you, because happy clients are likely to return and they're likely to refer you to others. Always meet your deadlines, communicate effectively, and of course, be open to feedback. Alright guys, that's it for today. If this video has brought you value, kindly give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you have not yet joined this tribe. We would love to have you join us. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.